Okay, welcome guys. On this series we'll be embarking on 30 days design challenge. So we'll be taking it as a beginner, from a beginner to the pro. So firstly, let's consider the app we'll be looking. Open your Play Store, search for PixelLab. We'll be using PixelLab. This is a PixelLab. We have PixelLab AI photo editor. We have PixelLab pictures editor. This is the one we'll be using for our design. So I have it already on my phone. So let me just open it. So I'm using the yellow PixelLab. Good. So today we'll be considering the introduction to PixelLab and challenge rules. Overview of interface, menu, basic. Consider the overview of interface, menu, basic, setup, saving page. So very quickly, let's dive into it now. Looking at this, now we have the on this yellow PixelLab, we have different sizes. We have the default sizes. We have the font sizes. We have the 3x2, 3x4, 9x6, A4 design for Google profile pictures, Pinterest, so Facebook profile pictures and the likes. We have them. This one is a different one. You can't see this one on PixelLab. This one you can get them from the model. So then we have the text. These are the tools for text. We have the edit, we have the delete, we have the copy, we have the to font, to back, positioning, relative positioning, sizes, padding, color, texture, opacity, rotate, marks, font, bold style, color, background, alignment, spacing, line, stroke, shadow. So these are the things we'll be considering. Then we have for shapes as well. Then we have the background also. We have the color. This one is majorly for color. So now that's that on that. Then we have the project. These are where your past work are saved, the works you've done. These are where you're going to find them. Good. Now let's talk about it. So we have the layer aspect where you are going to have the elements or text you've imputed. We have this place. We have the use image for background, full screen, use image for camera, export image size, contact source, report tutorial, remove ad, the cover to save, open PLP file, about, exist. So you have this one. This one is to share. After which you just save your design, you either save it as JPEG or PNG. Then we have the dimension. We have the ultra, very high, medium, low, custom, default. Then we have this one is to correct. Maybe you've done a mistake or you mistakenly did something. You can just control correct it. Then we have the delete. We have the edit. And instead of you using this text here, you can just click on the edit here. See the same thing, and some elements can come up. Here we have the import. We have the plus icon. Here you can add text. You can add current date, sticker, shape from gallery. You can pick a picture from your gallery. Draw. You can also draw. Then we have this one as share as well. So here we have the save as project, save as image. This project that was here, this way you're going to save it, save as project, then you name it. So that's that and that. So let's talk about the menu bar. Now this is the down part of the menu bar. Here we have these are the shape interfaces, the custom sizes of any designer to design for. Is it Twitter post, Twitter profile picture, the what's it called, the tumbling, just name it. This is where you get their size. Maybe you don't know their sizes, you don't have idea of the sizes you want to do. While using yellow PixelLab, you get the idea. Now we are still on menu. So we have you have the this A is for text. I talked about it the other time. Then this one is for shape. If you want to import a shape, if you want to edit the shape, you want to draw, you want to import pictures, you want to bring a sticker, Bezier tools, arrow. Then we have this one. This one is for the background. Then we have the what is it called? This one is usually for writing your design. Okay, now let's talk about the setup. Now, to set up, I believe I've shown you how to do that. Now let's talk about the saving of projects. Now, to save your project, this is where you save as the name is. So let's do a little workout on our design. So let me quickly delete. Now, for me to delete, let me just cover here is for you to if I want to make the design invisible. Now let me bring my text, introduction. I will delete it out. I want to bring in introduction to PixelLab design 30. Okay, let me just stop here. Introduction to PixelLab design. Then come to my text. I have my edit, I have my delete, I have my copy to front, to the back, positioning, relative, sizes, padding, color, texture, opacity, rotate, marks, font, bold, curve, background text, alignment, spacing, line spacing, stroke, shadow, inner shadow, perspective, TVD rotate, TVD text, TVD shadow, reflection. So let us consider each one after the other. Okay, so considering each one after the other, then I'll just do a simple one. I need to change my font. Change the font. Then just pick a default with a very nice font. Let me search for it. Logos. Then give it this one. Then I want to go back to my edit, increase everything to capital letter. Then this color is okay by me. I can just give it a brief shadow. On the shadow, click on the plus icon. I want then offset. Okay, introduction to PixelLab. Then come back again. I can just copy it again. You don't. So 30 days challenge. 30 days. Then bring it. I can just drag it. Very simple. Drag it, or I use this positioning tools to move it to where I want it to be. Then very quickly, relative position. I want it to be at the middle. Come to my increase side. I can just increase it. Then take it back to the relative size. Take it up. Introduction to PixelLab. So I will just copy it again. Copy it. Then work on it again. 30 days challenge. So that's that on that. So I can just bring this one to the front. Come to the front like this, then take it up, then this will be behind it. Then I would like to bring the stroke, the shadow to be more closer, so there's going to be reflecting. Why? Then draw it. It depends on how then the opacity. Let me give you this color. Now pick it up like this. do relative position. So this is this challenge. I can also decide to increase the sizes if I want, or just leave it like that. So that was that. And so let's quickly talk about shape. So I will come on, bring in my shape, then I can just bring in my shape like this. Change the color to, let's say, red. Then I'll let's say give it another name on my YouTube channel. So on my YouTube channel, then give it white. I can just give this, just give it a black color. Black, okay, black is nice. Let's give black, okay. Choose the sizes of it, then centralize it. I do call that centralize. Then into channel, so I can just give it a stroke to make it stand out. Just give the white stroke. Come to this color, then use the stroke. Wait. Okay. Then so this that on a bit. So now let me bring in another shape. I want to take it to the back. Can you see now? So let me give it another color. Let me come to my color. So let me look for a nice color fitting. Now this one looks okay than before. So I'm taking to the back. Can you see? I'm taking to the back. It's now behind everything. So that's introduction to PixelLab design 30 days challenge. Get ready for the challenges. And believe me, you'll be moving from beginner to pro during the course of my designing. So don't forget, the goal is to become a pro. Let's just quickly add that. Let me just copy this. Then the goal is to be a pro. Okay, it's going to be a very big thing. So let me just do it this way. Then come to my relative size, align it. Everything we'll be talking about these things I'm mentioning one after the other in my design. Why doing these challenges? The challenge is to teach us take us on a free section on how to become a pro designer. So let's give this a black color. Okay. Introduction to PixelLab design 30 days challenge on my YouTube channel. This is to be a pro. Okay, we can just reduce the sizes, then centralize it. Let's see. Centralize it. Take it to the middle, reduce the size a little bit, then move it up. Good. So guys, that's that on this video. See you on the 2D design. We'll be talking about text and many other things. See you soon. Take care. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.